Hi, and welcome to Brizy. To add a rating component to your webpage, you can build it out with the icon and text element, or instead just use the nifty rating element that is available in pro versions of Brizy Cloud and Brizy WordPress. Go to the Elements sidebar on the left, add Elements, and click drag the rating element to the page. You can drop the element anywhere you see the thick gray line. Interact with the element by clicking on it, which will bring up the Options toolbar, and from here we select the rating settings on the far left. Choose between two styles, the first a visual 5-star rating display, and the second giving you a number display of the rating, also for a 5-level rating. Position the label to the left, right, or remove it completely if you only want to display the star rating. Spacing adjusts the space between the label and the rating, and then set the rating level by moving the slider to the left or right. You can also set the rating manually by double-clicking on it and typing in the desired value. For the second style, there is one more additional setting which allows you to set the corners of the style box from sharp to rounded. If you prefer a different icon to the star, then choose one from the thousands available from the icon library and set the size to available presets or dial in your custom choice. Where you increase the size of the icon, it's a good idea to go to the label's typography and also increase the font size to ensure that the label and the icon size match up. Within the Color Manager, you have the control for both default and hover states for the content text and background respectively. Align the element to the right, left, or center, and as usual, you have the additional options such as entrance animation, Z-index, padding and margins within the More Options sidebar. Before you call it a day, review your work on the tablet and mobile displays where you have responsive control over the elements settings to ensure it looks good on these device displays. Make sure you subscribe to YouTube to stay up to date on the latest Brizy news, releases, and tutorials.